Today in the El Yucateco kitchen, we're making the best taco dip you've ever had. Whether it's a party, game day, or a gathering of any kind, this one is sure to please the crowd. Start with 16 ounces of refried beans in a pot on low to medium heat. Add chicken broth or water a little at a time. Stir and repeat until you reach your desired consistency. Now add 1 tablespoon of your favorite taco seasoning. Then bring the flavor and the kick with our El Yucateco Triple Extra Hot. Go with about 1/2 ounce or even more if you like. Then stir to combine over medium heat for just a couple minutes. Once this is cooled off, we'll transfer to a serving dish. Top with your favorite Mexican cheese, diced red and green onion for color, chopped cilantro, black olives. We'll color the top with salsa, pico, crema, and guac. And don't forget the Cotija cheese. Now serve and enjoy. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, don't forget to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. We'll see you on the next one.